do for YouTube.
I know. Bonjour. I mean, wait, wrong language. Yasu. We're in this place called Naoa, which is basically this kind of very metropolitan the engine. It's like a little port city that's like surrounded by water. It's really high end. Like we looked inside the stores. I got a clip of it, the little road when we were walking in, and it's so high end. The stores look so expensive. Just looks very luxurious. The way that Nick says luxurious is so funny. He's like luxurious.
Yeah.
It is very luxurious here. But I got an iced almond milk latte. I got 5 hours of sleep last night. This video situation, they don't have Wi-Fi that works up to like 100 megabytes per second Wi-Fi speed. I have an editor that edits not a lot of my videos, but some of my videos, and she's awesome. I was going to upload the clips and send them to her. It literally will not work. Like, it's a 2-minute clip. I press upload and it says it's gonna take like a day to upload, and I have like 30 clips. Plus, I do have some really long clips because it's like the video of me preparing for Greece. So what I'm gonna have to do is edit that video myself, just like within these next 3 days.
Which will take how long?
Which will take around 9 hours. I'm thinking it's gonna take 9 hours, but it could take more. Let's just pray it doesn't, but then I have to do the thumbnail and all the YouTube editing. So hopefully I'll have that up by Sunday. I'm gonna really try, but at least I'll have a video up by this weekend. Oh, also I didn't even show the view. Okay, this is the restaurant we're at. It's called Barbarossa.
So is this still filming?
Yeah. You're gonna tap on the white part. You're gonna press and pull on the white part until it says AE lock up there, which means it's focused on the lightest part of the photo. Oh my gosh, it looks really good on camera too. I got a Caesar salad chicken without bacon with corn in it.
First time I've seen corn, but it actually looks nice.
Show them your hat. Oh, actually, maybe like this is kind of cute. Like right here, I want to take a photo, like kind of walking. Oh, or like here. Going somewhere else. This place would be nice. It's just the thing is, it's like direct sun. Okay, let's go here. It's a full-time job. We are currently at the beach. We are at Santa Maria. It took us so long to find this beach. We literally got lost like 12 times. I just found these canoes, and this is my new swimsuit. I got this from La Vie en Rose. This is like the expensive one that I told you guys that I bought. It has a really cool back. I don't know, I just took photos in it, but I really want to go in the water. It's so hot. This is literally amazing. Like, we're driving around in a scooter, driving to the beach, driving back from the beach, getting ready, going out to dinner. Like, is this real life? I just feel so like relaxed. I don't know, I feel like I like stepped out of my normal life, like an actual vacation, even though I'm still working. It's not even that humid. It's not uncomfortable hot. I'm just so happy. So let's go in the water. Dad, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to my vlog. So we made it back from the beach, and obviously I'm a little bit sun-kissed. I got a little bit of sun on my face, but I actually just drenched myself in coconut oil. Coconut oil is like really soothing, so whenever I get a burn, I put coconut oil on it right away. I took a shower. Obviously, I'm gonna dry my hair. Something about the water here makes my hair so soft. Don't know what's going on there, but loving that. So I've been literally editing this whole entire time. I have been editing. I don't even know when I started. I really want to get like a good chunk of this done today. Like, that would be amazing. I don't know, like I really don't want to like stress about the video on this trip because I'm really trying to just relax. I don't know why, I just really want to get this video up on the weekend because I don't want to disappoint you, but I also need to not be editing all the time so that I can vlog, so that I can have more footage for the video. So I just don't know what's worth it. I have discussed this and thought about this for so long. I don't know, I'm still figuring it out. So I'm just chilling here. I actually feel so good. I have that feeling after you go to the beach and then you shower, you just get all the sand off and you moisturize. But I don't think I'm actually gonna get ready for dinner. I think right now I'm just gonna post some more things on my story because my data wasn't working out there, and edit some photos. Very content heavy day. Right there. Oh my gosh, that's so sick. Yeah. Oh. gosh, I actually cleaned my lens.
I did.
It looks so much better.
I actually used my glasses cleaner.
Yeah, I usually just use like my shirt.
Yeah, the glasses cleaner just makes all the difference.
It's like a lot clearer.
You see? Like, you gotta get into that habit, sweetheart. It's easy. Just have a little...
I really like the ankle socks with these shoes.
Yeah, they look amazing.
I was gonna wear my black hat, but I still want to get a tan on my face. Like, I put sunscreen on my nose. Yeah. Oh, this is the most random place to get burned. Your knees. I feel like the back of my... Ooh, yeah. I have like patches of sunburn. I don't get it. Dad.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I don't know.
It's so uneven. I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of questions on my outfit. This top, oh, this full outfit's from Garage actually. This is like the seamless top, and then these are shorts that I got a long time ago from Garage. But the plan for today is we just wanna walk around Parakia near the port, near the water. And we're gonna get dinner there, and oh, we can take that photo where you said.
The view, yes, we gotta go up there too.
Yeah, apparently it's like you can see where we've been this whole time, like looking back on it. You'll see what I mean. I really wanna go to the mill, get drinks there at sunset, and take photos as well. Already planned my outfit for that. This morning I actually got a lot of editing done, but let's go. Oh, and also I put my hair up in, oh, and now it's falling. Pretend it's like a messy bun. I'm gonna redo it, but it's because I've had my hair down in every single photo and I just wanted to change it up. So I put in a low messy bun, pull these pieces out, and I'm wearing my really thin hoops just to change it up. I feel like all the photos kind of look the same. It's actually funny because I have to turn my camera on the darkest setting because it's so sunny everywhere. I have to turn the exposure all the way down, the aperture all the way down, and the shutter speed all the way down. We made it to the little lookout point, and I actually think this is so genius because we were wondering, like, how do you bring coffees on a scooter? Because everyone rides scooters here. They have these little bags for your coffee, and there's like ones with one, ones with two, with little pockets for your coffee to go in. Yeah, we got hot lattes with almond milk from the place that we're gonna go to tomorrow for breakfast, but we're leaving tomorrow. I don't even want to think about it. I could edit more! We're at the mill we've been wanting to go to this whole entire trip. I swear, I've been mentioning the mill like every single day.
We call it the mill, but it's called Alexandra's.
Oh, is it actually? Got a strawberry margarita, and I'm wearing my pink dress, like I've been waiting to wear for like a special occasion, which this is the perfect occasion, but look at the view behind me. That's literally fake. I'm like, cheers. What's your rating?
My rating of this place?
Yeah.
I would say it's an 11 out of 10.
Yeah? Even without the sunset.
It's magic.
The clouds are literally covering the sun, and we were like, oh, it's not gonna be as good. Oh, we should take a photo of our drinks. I find the most random things to put my camera on. Oh my, it matches my dress. Kalo. That means good.
And Oreo.
Oreo, what is that?
Oreo, Kalo, nice, good.
Poly Oreo.
Poly Oreo.
Yes.
Actually, we should cheers.
Oh, I didn't know flash was on.
What?
The lighting is like golden.
Amazing.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you this. I would probably say is like my favorite cafe that we've been to this whole trip. It's like a hotel cafe, but I got an Alfredo cappuccino, which honestly I still like iced lattes better. Actually, let me take a photo. I like how they also give you water.
They always give water with coffee.
I actually just really like these glasses. Oh, that was satisfying. The weird thing is that everything that I'm posting on Instagram and on TikTok, I'm basically posting at like 2 a.m. Toronto time. And so when I post it in the morning here, I'm like, why are my posts doing so bad? Like, no one's liking them. Like, are these so bad? Except for there's like a couple people that have like the same time zone as me. Most of my followers are in Canada and the US. Thank you. Okay, we got a Greek omelet for breakfast. Oh my god, that looks so good. We both got the same thing. Over there is where all the ferries leave. We actually wanted to sit over there, but there's no chairs because it's really busy right now. Can we just stay?
Let's just do it.
Let's cancel my birthday, cancel Canada Day. Our ferry leaves at 5:30, so I'm gonna do a lot of editing on the ferry. This is our last time seeing the place. Look at it from, I actually haven't filmed it from this angle. That is the villa. No, we're literally coming back. With our family though, I'm not sure where we're going because it kind of looks like it's gonna rain. Horses. Hi everyone. So I made it to Athens. This is actually my second day in Athens today. The ferry was actually so nice. I got so much editing done on the ferry. And then I didn't vlog much here because we got here late at night, and then the next day I went to visit my family because my dad's side of the family lives in Athens. So just like visited them, and I think we're doing more family stuff today, but I also am gonna go shopping. I want to show you the Airbnb that we're staying at because it is so artsy. I actually found this one myself. It is really cute. So I'm gonna do a quick little tour. My dad is out for a walk right now because I was getting ready.
Hey!
I was just talking about you and I was saying that you were out for a walk. This is the dining area. Apparently this sign is from the owner of the Airbnbs. He was working on a show. I don't know if he was an actor or something, but they let him keep this from the set. Balcony is out there. This is the family room, living room. Artsy, very eclectic. And look at that light up clock. This is the mirror that I take all of my morning stories in. This is the kitchen. It's so sick. Okay, it's kind of like dirty right now, but you can tell what it looks like. There's like little decorations hung up there. The laundry machine is in here. Odd. Here, I need to write my name because everyone that visits from different areas of the world. It's actually so cute. This is the bathroom. It's just decorated so nicely. Oh, it's kind of hard to see with the yellow light. This is the bedroom that my dad is staying in. Then this is the room that I'm staying in. Don't mind that it's not made at all because I just sleep with a sheet because it's really, really hot. Those are my pajamas. And there's also another balcony out here. This is the view. Okay, this is the view from this main balcony down this really cute street. We're a little bit high up. I'm scared of heights. Today, I think we are going to go shopping and buy some clothes because I've actually been saving my money from Paros. I didn't really buy anything except this ring, which is already tarnished in Paros, because I knew that the prices are kind of inflated on islands, which is a tip for me if you ever go to Greece. Honestly, any island, the prices are going to be so much more touristy and inflated than on the mainland. So now that we're in Athens and we're kind of in like the city, the way that my dad describes Athens is like Toronto, but bigger and way more populated. Fit check. This is my fit check mirror.
What about dad fit check?
Dad fit check. New hat check. Okay, y'all, look at that. I think someone told me to come here actually. Hi. Look at that. Okay, so, oh, thank you. The real thing that happened is we came here yesterday. I didn't have my vlog camera yesterday because we kind of just thought we were like, you know, looking around. The one day that I don't bring my vlog camera is the one time where we find this place. They have pink coffee. I'm gonna get a pink coffee. I think my dad's gonna get a pink coffee too. I need to make like an Instagram reel of this, so I need to get a bunch of clips for that. Yeah. Now you like know all about nails and stuff. You know which ones are like. Okay, so we have that one, that one, that. Oh my god, that one, that one. A pink Fredo latte. No sugar. No sugar. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Look at that. Look at that. Dad, look. You know, I actually got a DM from someone yesterday telling me to come here. I already know my caption. It's gonna be something about like, this is what I think heaven looks like or something. What's good is that today, there are less old men that don't fit the aesthetic that are like in the way of my videos, because I'm trying to take videos yesterday and there were so many old men just like in my pictures and it just ruined it. Look at that masterpiece. Can you take photos? Okay, honestly, this coffee is so good.
It was amazing.
It was good. You mix it and it still stays pink. Look at these. Oh, they're so trendy. Can you hold that, please? Thank you. Oh my god. That's so cute and it goes up your ankle.
Yeah.
I actually want to try this because this would be really easy to walk in. I like the purses, but I don't think I would get a purse here. It's already going.
Yep.
This is just like my regular, this is actually my house. Over there is my living room, and then over there is my closet. That's where I sleep, in there. There's actually like pillows in there. I know it's really small, but like we're like building it out. And then up there I just have a church.